vô cà phê nữa không? Đi cần hết rồi. Cô nắng mấy à con. Một.
Camera. Đi cha cha. Những bệnh viện trường này. Cô này bike này.
I mean on the inside, there's different exterior color on both of them.
Nè, lò mai thế ở trong.
Nè, trong.
Còn này.
What I was telling you about the add-ons. Okay, so you see how right now it's just got this carpet.
Yeah.
So the trunk tray is gonna be like the all-weather one. It's gonna be like the rubbery one, but it's gonna cover all of this. And then it's gonna like say CRV on it, but it's meant so like if you guys are gonna go out like to like hiking, trails, snow, or anything like that. When you guys are bringing stuff in and stuff out, you're not gonna dirty this carpet. It's gonna have that rubbery one on top, and it's gonna be the same thing. So these come standard with the vehicles, with every new car, which is your regular carpet ones. If you guys want the identical ones, but the all-weather ones, the rubbery ones, then that's included in the package as well.
Do you want the other one that installed already? I want to see.
No, we don't install them prior because
Unless the client or the customer
yeah,
want
because
it, then
if a customer tells us they don't want it, now we have to take them apart or tell service to take them on. So most dealers do add them prior, but then they tell the customers, hey, they're already on the car. Like it is what it is, you know. We don't.
So we have a spare tire, right? Under.
Yeah, it's under the car.
if it can open, I want to see it.
So this one under doesn't open. This stays like this. Generally, you don't want to pull this up because there's like little clamps here, which could snap. So really,
So how about
the spare tire will be under.
Under the car?
No, it might actually. I think this one doesn't come.
No, I think
this one has the.
yeah, it should be inside.
No, this one doesn't come with the spare tire. It comes with this. So this is what that is it. If you get a flat on the road, that's gonna pump air into it, and it's also going to pump like a sealant stopper. It's gonna let the car. It's gonna inflate the tire for you back, but it's only good to drive maybe for about 50 to 100 miles before you have to stop at a shop. It's just to get you from point A to point B.
So no spare tire.
Yeah. So when they come with this. It still looks new. It doesn't fit. The sun and everything. It still looks new. I know I have like maybe one or two used cars down there that are like 2021. Not CRVs, but just on the
Sạc lan mua ấy.
Yeah, xạ làn mùi hai. Camera phong. Complete phong lôi với. Complete bằng lôi.
Bán này.
Yeah, how to lock huh? Này. Mà, okay.
Bán này.
Yeah. sợ bắn chết khai gì cả Phật hạ ơi giờ sắp khơi nhục mình đây normal rồi mình lên mày ô nè nè đó nè là nè nè thật là
As long as the key is with you, you can just put your hand behind the door handle and then okay, and when you close it, you go ahead and close it. From the outside. Can you go around real quick?
Căn không? Đúng là ở lại. Hello. Hello. Bất ngờ. Bán này. Đấy, bán đấy.
So go ahead and fix it to the way that you want it to be.
Con
How
này
it's gonna be
connect
when you get
to
inside.
sạc nó biết connect.
hả
Connect to sạc thôi mà. Không xem. Xử.
you just say can you say something
Oh.
like oh you just say like congratulations
Congratulations. Thank you guys for the opportunity and showing up. Thanks for giving me the opportunity to sell you guys.
okay thank you
Thank
yeah
you,
I
Miguel.
appreciate your help yeah thank you yeah nice to meet you too okay but hi here my key this one come on over
Click bằng lưới với.
Huh? So excited សបិនខ្លាចពីការប៉ិតដល់យូសបឃើញយកមិញឥឡូវសបិនខ្លាចពីការប៉ិតទេណា Come on here
Chứ ở này cái bao cái nữa này.
Let's see how it is
Bật vào mấy. Xe hết đấy.
Trái yeah
Ở cái lăng cuối đó.
Okay I'm gonna drive the car I'm gonna drive this car home
Okay, bye.